Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to start playing the game. Now, once you are able to access the menu options, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will find settings. Tap on the settings button and now you will find the login button at the top section. Tap on the login button and now you will be taken into the login page for your Supercell ID. Just tap on the login button and then tap on continue to log into your existing email. Just type in your email address and then tap on the login button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this email. Just enter the code by checking your inbox and you will be finally allowed to enter your password. After entering your password, just tap on the login button once again and now you will be logged into your account on the Heyday game and all of your previous progress will also be recovered. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.